Yes, children. So today we are going to learn about letter writing. So a letter is a written form of communication addressed to an organization or individual which is generally sent by post or mailed on the internet. So letters एक ऐसे फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होते हैं जो हम एक इंडिविजुअल को लिखते हैं या किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को लिखते हैं जो कि हम सेंड करते हैं थ्रू पोस्ट और थ्रू मेल ऑन द इंटरनेट. Now, it is very important for the students that students know how to write a letter as it is one of the most common means of communication in workplaces. So, आप बच्चों के लिए बहुत important है to learn how to write a letter. So, that is why we are covering this writing skill in your standard. Writing it correctly and accurately is important to convey the information accurately and precisely. Information को accurately और precisely convey करने के लिए आपको letter writing बहुत अच्छे से आना चाहिए. Okay, now letters can be categorized in the following way: letter writing, informal letter writing, and formal letter writing. So informal letter writing are the writing or letter to your mother, father, uncle, aunt, friend, cousin, etc. And formal letter writing is writing a letter to your principal, school principal, teacher, manager of a company, officer, editor of the newspaper, etc. So let's deeply understand about the formal letters. Let's deeply understand the formal letter writing, as the formal letter writing is going to be asked in your subjective type examination. All right, children. So let's begin with formal letter writing. Okay. So formal letters are written to the people in authority, those who are in power. जो लोग पावर में होते हैं उनको लिखे जाते हैं formal letters. So formal letters are written to the people in authority. The language of the letter is very formal and specific with no frills attached. What is the meaning of no frills attached? That means they are very specific. No, मतलब इधर उधर की कोई बात नहीं. It should be to the point, very specific, and the language should be very formal. As mentioned earlier, such letters, they may be written to the principal of the school, the editor of the newspaper, the chief executive of the company, the person in charge of the government office, and so on. So ये वाले जो letters होते हैं, they are written to the principal of the school, very formal. Then again, the editor of the newspaper, very formal, and the chief executive officer of the company. So all these letters are written to the people, to the persons who are in authority, who are in power, those who have the power. For example, the principal of the school has the power, so hence it can be written to the principal. Now let's understand the format. Now let's start with writing an application to the principal of a school requesting him to grant leave for 2 days as the writer of the application is sick. So first of all, you're going to write the sender's address. Then you will leave one line and then you will write the date. Again, you will leave the line and then you will write the receiver's address. So this is the receiver's address. The principal, Mount Mary School, Sector 33, Noida is the receiver's address. And this basically includes what? This basically includes the name of the person whom the letter is addressed to or the designation of the receiver. Like in this example, you are writing the letter to the principal. So you are writing the designation of the receiver who is going to receive the letter. Then again, you are going to leave one line and then you will write the subject. For example, application for leave. You are writing this application for leave. And then after writing the subject, you will again be leaving one line. Now the subject of the letter is the main concern of writing the letter. Then again leave one line, you will write the salutation. After writing the salutation, you will write the body of the letter. For example, the one who is writing the letter is Vidhi Bhatia. So I, Vidhi Bhatia, a student of class 8B, request you to grant me leave for 2 days with effect from 11th March 2000, जो भी year है 2021, like 2021. As I am not feeling well, the doctor has advised rest and I promise to complete the work that I miss at the earliest. जितना जल्दी हो सकेगा, I'll be completing my work. I'll be highly obliged if the leave is granted. So you are going to write the body of the letter. So after writing the body of the letter, you will be writing the closing of the letter. Once the body is done, closing with thanking you. Then leave one line, Closing yours sincerely, Vidhi Bhatia, 8th B. Okay. Now next one is you have to read the following application to the principal for the reissue of lost admit card. So I'm again doing one more sample example with you. एक और sample example करेंगे इसी का ही formal letter का application का. So let's do this. आपको application लिखनी है to the principal for the reissue of lost admit card. Now first of all you will write the sender's address. So writing the sender's address 54 Golf Links, New Delhi 110001. You will leave one line. You will write the date. Then you will again leave one line. Okay. So after writing the date, you will leave one line. And then you will write the receiver's address, the principal, Angels International School, B Block, Sector 6, Krishna Enclave, New Delhi. Then you will write the pin code also. Again, you will leave one line. You will write the subject. Subject is the main issue concerning the letter, the application. That is request for the reissue of the lost admit card. Okay. Then you will write the salutation. And then you will start writing the letter, main body of the letter. So I, Sweetie Gupta, a student of class 8A, am writing this application to inform you that I misplaced my wallet while returning home yesterday. Apart from money, it contained my admit card for the final examination. I request you to please reissue my admit card so that I can sit for the final examination. Alright, so this is the main body of the letter, means the main concern of writing the letter is written here, is mentioned here. Can you see the language of this body of the letter is very, very formal and specific and also to the point, right? So you have to include the details very much to the point. Then after writing that, you have to close the letter. Close the letter by writing, thanking you, yours faithfully, Sweetie Gupta, your name. All right. Now the second type of formal letter is letters of complaint or request. So let's talk about one sample letter. You have to write a letter to the Deputy Commissioner of Police complaining about unregulated traffic in your locality. So you have to write a letter to the person who is in authority. Who is that here? Here, the person in authority is Deputy Commissioner of Police. Now you have to complain about the unregulated traffic in the locality. So let's begin. So this is, first of all, you will begin with writing the sender's address. That is your own address. So 14 Param Enclave, New Delhi 110016 is your own address. Then you will be leaving one line and you will be writing the date. Then again leave one line, write receiver's address. While writing the receiver's address, you have to first of all mention the designation of the receiver. Okay, that is Deputy Commissioner of Police, then the whole address. After that, again, you will leave one line. After writing the complete address, leave one line. You will write the subject. Subject is unregulated traffic in Param Enclave. Param Enclave is the name of your locality. Okay. Then you will leave one line, write the salutation, sir, and you will begin writing the first paragraph. This is to draw your kind attention to the heavy and unregulated traffic at the Param Enclave intersection just before the flyover going towards GT Road. So you will be, first of all, in the first paragraph, you will draw the attention of the authority, you will draw the attention of the person to whom you are writing the letter. Okay. This is the problem. In the very first paragraph, you have talked about the problem that you are facing. The main letter of complaint, you are writing the complaint actually in the very first paragraph, right? And in the second paragraph, you will include कि अगर ये problem है, ये complaint मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, उससे ये problems हो रही हैं. So you will describe the problems that you are facing regarding the complaint that you are making. ठीक है. So second paragraph में क्या लिखा है? The intersection has no traffic signal. कोई traffic signal नहीं है. जितने भी vehicles हैं, they come down the flyover at a very high speed. Moreover, there are two popular schools in the locality whose timings are the same, and this adds to the chaos. इतना chaos हो जाता है उसकी वजह से. Some children spill out on the roads, which is a major risk to their lives. So this is in this paragraph, second paragraph, you are writing the main issue, the main problem, that why you are complaining to the authority. And the next paragraph will talk about the suggestion, the action that you think should be taken. So what you think the action should be taken is that if a traffic signal is installed at the crossing, there will be order on the road and the accidents can be avoided. So आपकी उससे क्या होता है, आपको क्या लगता है कि अगर ये एक्शन लिया गया तो एक्सीडेंट्स जो है वो अवॉइड किए जा सकते हैं. ऑल राइट. एंड इन द एंड क्लोजिंग लाइन एक लिखोगे आप, I hope some positive action can be taken या will be taken regarding this matter at the earliest. All right. So ये आप last line लिखोगे. Then thanking you, yours faithfully, Rashmi Bhatia, class 8th. That's all about the letters of complaint. इतना ही simple और letter आपको लिखना होगा letter of complaints में. That's it. There is nothing more to add to this letter. Okay. Now the third type that we are going to talk about is letters to the editor. आपके एग्जाम में letters to the editor भी आ सकते हैं. So again आपको लेटर लिखना, एक सैम्पल लेटर हम देख लेते हैं क्या है सैम्पल लेटर. पहले अगेन सैम्पल लेटर जब हम कोई भी लेटर स्टार्ट करते हैं, पहले सेंडर्स एड्रेस, लीव वन लाइन डेट, लीव वन लाइन रिसीवर्स एड्रेस, राइटिंग द डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द रिसीवर इन दैट केस. So here the designation, अब आपको name of the person नहीं पता, we are not writing it to the person but we are writing it to the editor. So जिस भी newspaper के editor को लिख रहे हो, you will write the name of the newspaper, that is Hindustan Times. Again you will leave one line, then you will write the subject. So after leaving one line you will write the subject, like for example irregular water supply in Hoskas. Then you will write leave one line and then you will write the salutation. Then you will write the main body of the letter. So in this case, let's do, I wish to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities through the column of your esteemed newspaper towards this issue. So beta, whenever you are writing the letter, ठीक है, अब आपको थर्ड टाइप में करा रही हूँ लेटर्स टू द एडिटर. तो जो भी बिगिन ओपनिंग लाइन है, यू कैन लर्न एंड यू कैन राइट इट एज इट इज. आप एज इट इज लिख सकते हो लाइन, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. जो भी इशू होगा वो चेंज कर दोगे, बाकी रिमेनिंग यू कैन राइट एज इट इज. दिस ओपनिंग लाइन ऑल्सो कैरीज मार्क्स. I wish to draw the kind attention of the concerned authorities through the column of your esteemed newspapers. What is the meaning of esteemed newspaper? Very reputed newspaper. Towards this issue. यहाँ पर issue की जगह जो भी आपको question में दिया होगा, you can write that issue. Most of the time, the taps remain dry as the water is supplied for barely half an hour every day. फिर you will start describing the problem, the main issue. जैसे letter of complaint में किया था, वैसे you can write यहाँ पर भी कि जो भी आपका मेन इशू है, देर आर कंप्लेन्स ऑफ जॉन्डिस, टाइफाइड, जो भी प्रॉब्लम आपकी लोकेलिटी में फेस हो रही है ड्यू टू इरेगुलर वाटर सप्लाई, यू विल इंक्लूड दैट ऑल. राइट. एंड में यू विल राइट, आई देयरफॉर रिक्वेस्ट द हायर अथॉरिटीज to look into the matter and take necessary action immediately to ensure clean and regular water supply. So that's it. You will in the end, at the closing part, what you will add? You will add the suggestion that or any action that you feel like should be taken on the part of the authority or to whom you are writing the letter. ठीक है. So आपको क्या लगता है आपके पार्ट पर वो सामने वाली जिसको आप लेटर लिख रहे हो उसको क्या एक्शन लेना चाहिए? You will suggest that in the closing line, right? So beginning कैसे करनी है, लेटर की closing कैसे करनी है, should be very very clear. Beginning मतलब opening and closing line can be written as it is in all the letters. So you can actually cram the lines. I have no problem. You can write the same lines in every kind of letter. I have no problem, right? But main जो body है letter की, that you have to create it on your own. ठीक है? Is that clear? Then again in the end you will write what? Thanking you. How will you close the letter? By writing thanking you. और फिर end में जो भी closing होती है, yours truly, faithfully, and then you will write your name like this. Thanking you, yours truly, Rashmi Bhatia. Rashmi Bhatia has to be written here. यहाँ पर आ नहीं रहा था, so I have put here. Okay, that's it. I hope that letter writing. Now in your exam, there can be 3 types of formal letters that can be asked. So the first one that we did was writing the application. Second, writing the letters of complaint. And third is writing the letters to the editor of the newspaper. Alright class, so I hope formal letter writing is very much clear to all of you in detail. Thank you class.